Hi guys, so I made this delicious Injangsan stew yesterday with fish. Yes, this was the tomato I used, a lot of tomatoes, but you'll be amazed at how small this tomato will come out. It's just packed with water inside. So first I had to cut the tomatoes and place on the fire for the water to drain out. You see me, I had cut already. This is how I love to make my stew. Yes, I placed the tomato on the fire without water for the water to first drain out. Yeah, this dish usually takes lots of time, so you have to leave it while you prepare the other ingredients for the tomatoes to drain out and get ready. This helps to prevent sourness, you know. And then our fish was out from the freezer. I had to keep it to defrost so we could go on to fix and marinate it here. While that was defrosting, our Jamsan was ready for blending. And then on the other side of the fire, I kept the spaghetti to be boiling, yes, because for this stew, I really wanted to eat with spaghetti first before proceeding with rice. So this was our spices were getting fixed, you know, our celery, spring onions, the bell peppers, and capsicum green. Yeah, all there. And spaghetti was ready very fast. And then our tomato, you could see it here, a lot of water, and the tomato was decreasing. Yeah, it was still boiling. And then I was marinating the fish. Had to put all the spices, seasoning cubes, and mix, and then kept in the fridge for it to marinate for some minutes. Yeah. And then our spices were fixed, ready for blending. Yeah. And then I had chopped already the spices, the onions, the celery leaves, green peppers, and the spring onions, and then our seasoning cubes. And here I was blending the spices. Yeah, already blended, see. And then our Johnson was blended as well. Could see that. And then the tomatoes were already dried, but little water. I just had to remove this little water before going on to blend. Yeah, I was blending the tomatoes. This is really good, guys. I don't know how you make your stew, but if you make the stew like this, you will not get any bit of sourness because the tomato is well cooked and drained, And then our fish was marinated, and then here I was frying it. Yeah. And then it was already fried. You could see me already almost already ready. Yeah, had to take that out. And then the tomatoes that we blended, we had to just pour in the same oil we used to fry the fish. You could see that. After this, you need to close the pot to let it dry again. Otherwise, it's going to spill everywhere. This stage, you see. So after it was dried and then well fried, I added the green spices to it and the onions. Yeah. And then our spices we added also, seasoning cubes added, gave a good stir. Yeah. There you could see our stew already looking like it. Just go on to add water to the desired texture. Yeah. And just try not to make it so watery. Yeah. And then I added our curry spice. Yeah. And then our white peppers. Added for stew, I love to add lots of white peppers. It's really good for seasoning. Yeah, it's good. It gives good flavor, and yeah, you see our stew was already boiling. Yeah. Then I added our ginseng spice. I didn't put lots of ginseng for this stew, just a bit. And then since everything was already pre-boiled, the tomatoes, no need to keep it so long on the fire. Everything, I just had to add the fish. Yeah. Give a good stir. At this stage, you want to be checking your water quantity and the texture of your stew. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water. If you love thick stew like I do, okay, then you can be measuring your quantity, not to make it watery. Then you could see me there. Yeah, added some additional white peppers, and again some little bit of curry powder. See, our stew was already looking like it, guys. You could see it was already looking yummy. Yeah, at this stage you can reduce your flame and just let the sauce get into the fish. Yeah, while the stew thickens again a little bit. Yeah, but at this point you should have added all your spices, your seasoning, your peppers, and tasted everything to make sure everything is as you want it to be. Yeah, and here you could see our stew was ready. Look at it, was already thick and ready to be served. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching the video to the end. Yeah, I noticed that my cooking videos are getting lots of engagement and views. Yeah, so I just have to continue posting the delicious meals I make in my home for you guys to see, right? Thank you guys for your support. Here you could see the food was already served. Yeah, look at it, looking all yummy. Yeah, and ready to eat. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.